What's up guys, I'm Joel. Welcome back to JS Detailing. We finished up this RS3 and I'm going to tell you all about it. This customer opted for full coverage on his RS3, so we covered it in STEC Dyno Shield film. So we choose to use STEC Dyno Shield film because it's one of the clearest on the market, and it also benefits from self-healing properties as well as being hydrophobic. So we have covered absolutely everything on this car, including the grille, headlights, trim, bumper accents, hood, fenders, anything that the program allows us to plot out, we put on the car. We've also covered these sweet carbon mirrors, the rockers, doors, door handles, this gloss black trim and B-pillars, all the way back to the quarters. So to round off the protection on the front end of this car, we did ExoShield, the windshield protection film on the glass, as well as this little glass piece on the leading edge of the roof here. Bringing you back here to the rear, we covered the tail lights, trunk, bumper, carbon fiber spoiler, all the way down to this lower diffuser, wraps all the way underneath, so this car is completely covered. So that rounds off the exterior. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the interior and I'll show you what we did inside. So earlier I had mentioned that we'll cover anything that our program has to offer on these big full PPF jobs. Well, it had these gloss black interior trim pieces. We went ahead and covered them as a thank you to our customer, so he doesn't have to worry about scratching while cleaning, any of that. And also we did matte PPF on his touchscreen, so he doesn't have to worry about fingerprints as well. So as you know, cars are not getting any cheaper. This customer ultimately protected his from bumper to bumper. So if you want to protect your investment, come see us at JS Detailing. We'd love to help you out. And also, if you don't mind, like, subscribe, even comment if you want to, and let us know what you'd like to see next.